Remember folks, just because stuff's broken doesn't mean you gotta throw it away, right? Alright, what up everybody? I'm here at my house and I just started replacing the earmuffs on my Bose headphones, and I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and make a quick video about this. So I'm actually going to turn the overhead light on real fast so we can see what we're doing. I just wanted it off because it was washing me out completely, making me look horrible. Worse than I already do, if you can believe it. But here, let me show you what we got going on here. Okay, so this is what we're working with here. It was like this just a minute ago. These guys were on there. These guys were on there. So as you can see, I completely blew out the right earphone here. And I mean, it's just wear and tear. I've had these things for almost 3 years. And I've used them pretty much every single day. So what we do, and what we're going to be replacing them with, is 2 new ones. Like these. And I actually got them in navy instead of black. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I think it'll look cool. It'll have a cool color. So we pop these off here and you just kind of stick your thumb in and rip. They come right up. Then we are replacing these little pads here, or the you know, I guess little dust screen, or what does the instruction manual call it? Scrim mat. The scrim mat. These things are called the scrim mat. So they come with new ones, so we're going to swap them out real quick, and you just rip these things out too. On the new ones, you'll see there's 2 little adhesive things, get those in focus there, that we're going to peel off. I already peeled off the first one. It went right here. You can see this foam is the other one, and so we're going to peel that off real quick, pop this new one down, do the same thing to the right one, and then put the new earmuffs on, and we'll have basically a brand new set of headphones. And instead of spending $350, I've only spent $19 on this little replacement kit. So, you know, you gotta get that bang for your buck, baby. And we'll be careful not to damage this little driver in here. Well, that should be good right there. So now we're going to peel off these 2 white things, expose that new adhesive, and just go ahead and pop her on down. Beautiful. Looks about the same as how the right one looks. So we'll go ahead and replace that one. Oh, that was good. Don't have to peel up any of that one from that side. Alright, now we just got to put the new earmuffs on. And that's why they sent this little tool right here. Come on, focus on that, baby. It's like a little curved tool that you can use to push the headphone down around under the teeth here. Yes, sir. There's the right one. Oh, yeah. Boom. There's all of them on the right. Let's do it again on the left. So there's little notches in here. Little, like, teeth that come out around the headphone. And that's what we want to get the lip of this under that. So what I'm doing here is when I'm going in, I'm taking this and I'm pushing it backwards and then down like that. So back in and then down underneath each of those teeth. And I don't know, there's like 12 teeth on each one, 10 teeth, something like that. So it's not too hard. You just have to kind of work your way around the whole headphone and make sure that you're hearing like a little tiny click as you're getting it stuffed up under there. And it's not hard. That, you know, it wants to go into place. You just have to be a little patient. And boom. Just like that, we've got ourselves a brand new pair. Went from this garbage to brand new. Let's see if they work. Oh yeah, they bang. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in to Dansville. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this quick little tutorial. Remember folks, just because stuff's broken doesn't mean you gotta throw it away, right? Let's upcycle. Come on. Fix it. Reuse it. Let's be smart. Let's get it done. I'll see you on the next one.